What's up guys, TK here with PRX Performance, and we're back with another video all about pull-up bars. For racks that include a pull-up bar, we offer 3 different options. We have our straight pull-up bar, our multi-grip pull-up bar, and the kipping bar, which we have mounted on the rack behind me. All of our pull-up bars come in a textured black powder-coated finish. First, we have our standard straight pull-up bar. If you're looking to do pull-ups and you want the tried and true pull-up bar, this is the one for you. Next, we have our multi-grip pull-up bar that has various locations for you to grip this pull-up bar to target different muscles. And lastly, we offer our kipping bar, which sets you roughly 18 inches outside of your rack and allows you to perform kipping movements like kipping pull-ups, chest to bar pull-ups, toe to bar, or butterfly pull-ups. When it comes time to choose a pull-up bar, the decision lies mostly with you and what you want to achieve. If you're just looking for that very basic pull-up bar option, then our straight pull-up bar is going to be great. If you're more focused on attacking different muscle groups, being able to grip the bar in multiple different ways, then our multi-grip bar is going to be an awesome choice. If you're an athlete that likes performing kipping movements and wants a little more freedom away from the wall, then the kipping bar is going to be an awesome option for you. We know whatever pull-up bar you choose is going to help lift your gains to the next level. If you already have a rack with us, let me know in the comments below which pull-up bar it is that you have. Or if you're looking to purchase a rack, let us know what pull-up bar you're most interested in. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, PRX family, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep chasing those gains.